Hello students, in today's class we are going to study e-commerce trade cycle. Before starting, let's see the definition of trade cycle. A trade cycle is series of exchanges between a customer and a supplier that takes place when commercial exchange is executed. Okay, so this means that trade cycle has number of steps, and these steps are executed between a customer and the supplier if they want to buy and sell some products. Okay, so this is the definition of trade cycle. You have to write the definition as it is. Then coming to the phases of trade cycle. Trade cycle has 4 different phases. The first phase is pre-sales. Second is execution phase. The third one is settlement phase. And the last one is after sales phase. Let's see this in a diagrammatic form. Okay, so here in this diagram you can see first phase, pre-sales. Pre-sales has 2 steps. Okay, search, negotiate. Coming to the second phase. Second phase is execution. Execution has 2 phases, 2 steps, order and delivery. Coming to the third phase, settlement. Settlement again has 2 steps, invoice and payment. The last phase is after sales, which has after sales phase. Okay, so let's see each of the phase individually. First phase, pre-sales. Now, pre-sales consists of 2 steps. The first step is search phase. In search phase, the customer is going to search for the required product on the website. And after the product comes the next step, that is the negotiate phase. In this negotiation phase, customer is going to find the product which is of good quality and at cheaper rate from the different suppliers. After finding the product, then the person is going to agree to the supplier's terms. Like for example, you will agree that the good will be received on this and this date, at this and this amount, and then the mode of payment. All these terms will be agreed and your negotiation step is completed over there. Okay. So after the negotiation phase, the pre-sale phase ends and the next phase, that is your execution phase, it starts. The first step in execution is order. So after you had agreed with the terms, you are going to order the product. And after ordering the product, the supplier will get your order and the supplier is going to dispatch your order. And then later you will get the delivery of the product. Once the customer gets the delivery of the product, execution phase ends there. After execution, then comes the next phase. Next phase is settlement phase. The settlement phase has invoice. If any invoice is generated, that is a form of a bill, it is going to be generated at this time. Once the bill is generated, it is handed to the customer. After the customer gets the bill, the customer is going to make the payment. Okay, so this is the next step, payment step. After the payment is done, then comes your next phase. The next phase is after sales phase. After sales phase has warranty. If we are buying some goods, we get warranty for the goods. If I am buying a refrigerator, then I will get a 3 years warranty. Then in that 3-year span, if there are some problems with that refrigerator, I can call up the company person and ask for the service. So this is your warranty. And also there are some after sales services. If I am ordering a product and if there is some problem like the size does not fit or the product which is ordered is not suitable, it is not of that quality, in that case you can go to after sales services and you can make your request. Any kind of maintenance, any kind of problems that we have After purchasing the good, they come in this step. So these are the four phases of your e-commerce trade cycle. This is what we are doing even in our online shopping. Okay. Thank